Hey y'all, finally got around to making my ginger shots. They was very easy to make. All I did was chop up some ginger. I also sliced up 4 lemons and 1 huge orange. It definitely cut off before I cut up the orange, but oh well. I put it all in my blender. I also added some cayenne pepper and I added some turmeric. I just eyeballed how much water I use. I mean, it's not a amount. I just eyeballed it. And then I blended it. It came out really thick. You can see kind of still the pulp in there. Cheesecloth was very cheap from Amazon, about $3 and some change. It worked really, really well. As you see, that's hella thick. And then when I poured it in, it literally caught everything. I didn't have no pulp. I didn't have no seed pieces or anything like that. I'm the only one drinking this, so I'm not wearing gloves. So miss me with why her, you know. And I wash my hands. So anyway. But yeah, I bought these little bottles from Amazon as well, filled them up, and I had 7 days worth. So yeah, there we go.